everyone. I'm very happy to see you in the Super Memory for Schools program. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lee Tang Ha, and today Ms. Tang Ha will accompany you in 7th grade English. Are you ready? Look at the board. Today, we learn Unit 10, Health and Hygiene. Section B, a bad toothache. Today, we will continue to learn lesson number 10, Health and Hygiene. In today's lesson, I want to teach about two main parts. The first part is the new words, which include nouns, verbs, and adjectives related to the teeth topic. The second part I want to convey to you is the grammar part. Grammar includes 3 sentence structures. The first is, what is the matter with, or what is wrong with? The second structure is the question and answer, why, because. The third structure is that we review the past simple in the form regular and irregular verbs. Now look at the board. Wow, look at them. They are doctors and patient. Now they are having an appointment at 9:30 a.m. Appointment is a noun. Now listen and repeat. Appointment. Look at the board. What is he doing? He is checking her teeth. What does he do? He is a dentist. Now listen and repeat. Dentist. Dentist. What is the matter with him? What is the matter with that boy? That boy has a toothache. This is a noun. Now listen and repeat. Toothache. Look at her. She looks very scared. Scared is an adjective. Scared. Scare is a noun and also a verb. Now listen and repeat. Scared. The cavity is not serious. Cavity is an adjective. Now listen and repeat. Cavity. Serious. What is this? This is a drill. Now listen and repeat. Drill. Where is this? This is the surgery. Now listen and repeat. Surgery. The dentist is filling her teeth. Fill is a verb. Now listen and repeat. Fill. Look at her. Wow, she is nervous. Nervous is an adjective. Listen and repeat. Nervous. She looks very pleased after the dentist filled her teeth. Pleased is an adjective. Now listen and repeat. Pleased. Now class, look at the board. Look at him. He tries to explain for his family. Explain is a verb. Now listen and repeat. Explain. My mother often reminds me to learn English every day. Remind is a verb. Now listen and repeat. Remind. Look at her. She is smiling at me. Smile is a verb. Now listen and repeat. Smile. Wow, her foot is hurting. Hurt is a verb. Now listen and repeat. Hurt. Wow, I like beef, but my mother hates beef. Hate is the synonym with dislike. Listen and repeat. Hate. So I just finished teaching you some new words, including nouns, verbs, and adjectives, related to the topic about teeth. Now let's repeat after me. Toothache, dentist, appointment, cavity, surgery, drill, scare, fill, explain, remind, smile, hurt, hate, serious, nervous, pleased. And the grammar structure I want to introduce to you today. Firstly, the structure of what is the matter with or what is wrong with. What is the matter with or what is wrong with? Look at the picture. Look at him. What's the matter with him? What's wrong with him? I will answer as follows. He has a headache. So we use the structure, what's the matter with him or what's wrong with him, to ask someone. Now look at the second picture. Look at her. What's the matter with her? What's wrong with her? I will answer as follows. She has a toothache. So we use the structure, what's the matter with her or what's wrong with her, to ask her. So with the structure, what's the matter with or what's wrong with? We use it to ask someone what's wrong with him. The second structure I want to introduce to you is that we use the question why and answer because. Now look at my picture. Look at him. His name is Ming. Why does Ming's tooth hurt? Because he has a cavity. Look at him. Why is Ming happy? Ming is smiling. Why? Because his teeth are okay. So we use the structure to ask why and answer because, to ask for the reason. The third structure I want to introduce to you is that we review the past simple tense. Past simple tense, regular verbs, and irregular verbs. Now look at the board. Look at her. The dentist filled a cavity in his tooth last week. Last week, the dentist filled his cavity. I use the verb fill, and in the past tense, I add ed. Fill is a regular verb. When changing to the past, we add ed. Now look at her. She felt happy yesterday. Now I use the verb feel. In the past, I used felt. This verb is an irregular verb, so in the past tense, feel, felt. Have you remembered yet? So the simple past tense you remember has two types. The first type are the regular verbs, and the second are the irregular verbs. Today, we have two regular verbs. Now repeat after me. Fill, filled, fix, fixed. And irregular verbs, break, broke, hurt, hurt, feel, felt. Now take care of your teeth. And today, we will learn some ways to take care of our teeth. Tell me some ways to take care of your teeth. First, brush teeth after meals. Second, go to the dentist when having a toothache. Third, do not eat too much candy or cake. And the last, do not use old toothbrush. In this lesson, you must remember two main parts. The first content is new words, which include the words related to the teeth topic. The second content is the grammar structure consisting of 3 sentences. First structure is a question, what is the matter with, or what is wrong with. Second structure is the why, because question. And the last structure is to review the simple past tense in 2 verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. I hope that through this lesson, you will know how to take care of your teeth. Remember to go to the dentist every 6 months to check your teeth. Our lesson ends here. Thank you for your attention. I wish that you have a happy and useful lesson. Goodbye everyone and see you again in the next Super Memory for Schools program.